And good morning, it's my Jeep update again. This is Thursday, March 16th, and just had lunch. Been doing a little work this morning, not much, and back to it now. It's about noon, and as I said, I was going to get back to work on my evap charcoal canister assembly. And so far this is what I've done. I've got my housing together. I don't know if I can put it together like this and put the whole assembly on there at one time. I may have to assemble it on the Jeep, on the frame there behind the left wheel before I can mount this. But I'm trying to piece it together. I think so far I've got this right. I've got these pumps. I still got to figure out what goes up here on the canister. I've got one of them. One of them goes to the line that goes all the way to the, I believe, the purge valve up front. And I'm not sure where that one goes. And then I've got this, I forget what you call these, it's another filter, and I got another one over here. I'm gonna have to check these a little more. I've got another, I'll be right back. Okay, and I've got this, I don't know if this is a pump, a vacuum, or a filter, or what. I'm gonna have to look it up, and I got to see how these connect in. I have some T's in here. I got one over here and I got one here, but I'm not even sure if I've got this hooked up right. I'm gonna have to check it out. So that's what I'm getting ready to go do some research on, is these right here and these hookups here. I know, I'm pretty sure, I think it's this one goes to the purge valve. I'm gonna look at my diagrams and check some information, and then I'll get you another update from my Jeep out for now. Man, good morning. This is a my Jeep update, just a quick one. Wanted to get this in. I'm waiting on some photos to help me out on connecting that charcoal canister system. While I'm doing that, I'm getting my axle retainer nuts and bolts torqued down. And just a quick review, you got this retainer plate back here, and you got 4 bolts and nuts, and those nuts are to be torqued to 45 foot-pounds. I just wanted to get that in there. I've got this side, the driver's side, done. I'll be moving on in a little bit and getting the passenger side done. I'm not going to bother to do any more video on that side. I just want to do this quick review. That's my Jeep out. Man, good afternoon. This is a my Jeep update, the last for Saturday, March 17th. I've been doing a little work, not much, but I did get another item out of the way. I torqued the cover bolts down on the differential cover. Specs call for 30, and I think I went to about 32, just a little over. Anyway, they're torqued down, and I've been piddling on the charcoal canister. And I've got some of these pumps and items misnamed. This, I believe, is the leak detection pump, I think. This, I was calling the leak detection pump. I believe this is the leak detection vapor filter, I think. I'm still confused with this. And this other item, I don't even know what to call it. All I know, I think it's some kind of filter system too, but I'm not sure.
But if you go to Jeep, they want over $300 for this item. And on some of the connections, I believe this connection's right. But what I said earlier about one of these going to the purge valve, that was wrong. One of them goes to the fuel tank. I'm not sure. I think this one here, I think goes to the fuel tank. This one here, I think goes where you see this big hose here. I'm not sure though. Still gotta look that out. I've got some, hopefully some photos coming that may help me more on these connections. I'm gonna go ahead and close out for today. I'm gonna post this video tonight. If I make any progress in the next couple of days, I will make another video. That's in my Jeep. Out for now. Thank you so much for watching.